What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Right now we is about to go to the Toyota dealership. Why? If you guys seen the last video, and if you guys did, I appreciate you. If you didn't, go check it out. But I'm gonna go to the Toyota dealership because I need to go see if they can fix my side light marker malfunction, or if they can tell me why it has a malfunction. Pulling up right now to see what's up. And hopefully they can figure it out, or hopefully they can use their scanner tool to see what the reason is about it. But I hit up my homie who works at Toyota and asked him if they'll do it, and he said they should. So that's what we're gonna go do, is see if they can put their scanner in, see what the hell the issue is, and we'll go from there. Yeah, if y'all having a beautiful, amazing day, morning, night, whatever time y'all watching this, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That way I know you guys are having a great day. Car sounds phenomenal though. Ah, she sounds so good, bro. RK titanium exhaust just makes it sound so good. I like the way it just shifts like. Alright, so here's the Toyota dealership. So let's see if they can help a brother out or not. We about to find out. So I just want to see if someone can help me out. Let's see if I can just ask him a question real quick. How you doing, boss? Thank you. I got a question, boss, because I don't have an appointment or anything. But on my dash, because this car was in an accident about a year ago, and we got the car back, like I said, a month or two, and the headlight was replaced. But I do get a side light marker malfunction, and I was just trying to see if you guys can probably scan it and see what's wrong with it, or what possibly could be the reason.
Alright, yeah, for that I got my service for the next in like 5-10 minutes and alright.
Appreciate it, boss. Thank you. Yeah. Damn, so unfortunately, they were not able to help me. So the whole thing was full, so we can't get a diagnostic, which is totally fine. They told me to come like a day earlier, so I might have to just come on a day when I'm off. I do a little pull from you, feel me? Damn, bro, I wonder what's wrong with the side light. If any Toyota techs know what can possibly be the reason, please let me know in the comments.
I still keep that blick. I just put this little bad bitch beefing with the kid. I guarantee you getting slimed out.
So now I'm home, and I'm actually about to get rid of that seatbelt light right now. So I was just looking at this, so we about to go advanced creation. But this thing got way faster. Beamer code. This thing used to take a minute, but we got pretty fast now. So we're gonna go to seatbelt driver not active, indicator down. Damn, so I already have it off, but it's still there. No. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Right now we're actually about to head to a car meet. It is Tuesday. It is like Tuesday night. We're about to go to a car meet because the homie Beef sent it to me. He was like, pull up. It's not that far. It's at Krispy Kreme Donuts. Saw the story and was like, you know what? Let me pull up for a little bit, get some content for you guys, see what's up, and let's see what the Valley got for us today. You know, usually every car meet's far as hell, but this one is more local. I'm like, fuck it, why not? Let's go. So hopefully we get some dope content, get some dope cars. You guys see the starlights and everything, bro. It looks so sick at night, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, we'll see what's up, see if everything's popping or not, see how it goes. On the story, I see some Lambos and some R35, so we'll see if we see some dope. But bro, the lighting in here looks so good. Sometimes this light over here flashes and it works, and it won't work. So right now, surprisingly, it's been working for me. I know like there's a fuse that's kind of loose, but right now it's been working. Other than when I open the door, sometimes it won't work, but as of right now, it's been working pretty good for me. So let's hope it just stays on like that. And I need a new charger, bro. My charger here, my wire stopped working. I hate the Apple chargers, bro. If you guys know what I mean, you guys know. If you know, you know. The boy Beach just gave me a heads up right now, saying that there is cops, but they're chill. As long as we're not doing nothing or they're not doing anything, they're chill. We're almost there. We're a couple miles away, but almost there. So we just arrived. That parked over there, but we got the jackass beef over here.
Fucking jackass.
We're taking a little walk around to see what's up right now. CTSV. GTR Lambo over there, what did they tell? Nice little Honda Civic inside. Very nice, very nice. I like it. There was like hella cop smoke coming in. That shit had me nervous. I was like, no. It's my first time at this meet too, so I'm just, you know, me and you guys' first-hand experience right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels, get your Hot Wheels. That's Supra. Where's that Supra? Ooh, M4 GT. R34 GT. Well. Another R34 GT.
I've been wanting one.
That's crazy. Bro, whose rich ass bought this 4 GT? Damn, bro. We got a 4 GT, we got a Supra, and we got a Sylvia, bro. Damn, bro, this S15 looks so damn clean. Holy shit. So does a Supra. They all look fucking clean. Damn. This S15 though, what, bro? Yeah, this S15 got me here. I mean, the Supra too, bro. Shish. That front end, bro. That GT is crazy too. Fuck you, jackass. Fuck you. Bro, this is like $1 million car right now, I think. This is fucking insane. At least like 4. Holy shit, bro. You see the engine? Damn, bro. This shit is so clean. Same thing with the Evo though. All these right here, bro. Alright. You guys can see there's a lot of RGB and underglow over here. A lot of it. Even that yellow Supra has it over there. That's what he says. You
see the underglow on the Supra? Yeah.
Yep, I see it.
The Supra's big 8.
I don't know if I need that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I get underglow for my car? I don't know. I don't think so. I think I'm good. This one is very clean though. This GT500 right here in this orange. This is clean. This is real nice. Ooh, he bumping. The ghetto. Yeah, I like this color. And I like the GT500. The front end too is very aggressive. What you want, bro? What you want?
I'm saying nice.
I know, right? So I was saying. This guy thinks I'm hating because I didn't want to record this Supra.
You don't want to record because the LED light is crazy.
Nah, man, what the fuck? What are you talking
You
about?
don't want to
bro?
disrespect the Supra.
Nah, that shit clean, bro. Ain't no one disrespect. He's on bags. I wish I had the bags. The fuck, man. You gotta get the underglow though. What y'all think? Should I get the underglow? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Very clean though. Very clean. I need to get bags, bro, for real though. Fuck. Bags will make a huge difference. Check out this Jeep though. Sheesh. This fool's just on his other tire right here, you know, just straight chilling. Damn, bro. You don't want one no more or what? Jackie wanted a Jeep. Oh, yeah, see? But you gotta pay for all that suspension money. Bro, these Hellcats though. Bro, this one is dummy crazy. Damn, bro, this wrap, I ain't even gonna lie, it's hard, bro. With the pink stripes and all that. And the pink LED like that, that's hard. That's hard. Nah, bro, I ain't gonna lie, this is sick. I like how he has that like wrap and shit with that. Ooh, nah, I ain't even gonna care with you. This is hard. This is hard. I fuck with this. Oh, damn, bro, this just goes right here. Oh, shit. They just had it come and stun on everybody here, huh? Bro, you see the V10 right there? Oh, this is dummy clean, bro. GTR, R35. Crazy ass lineup. Nah, this is sick, bro. That's true. Bro, far, bro. This right here, even the CTSV. Wow, bro. Front end of this Lambo, bro. This Huracan. Look how mean it looks. Donuts. About to get a whole dozen, bro. What?
Could have gone through the drive-thru making us.
Man, we could just take the box and be faster. Don't even trip. Hey, where the hell the donuts at, man? Nah, it's good. They're like, we're about to close. We got what we got. They don't know what to get, man. It all looks so good. So we have left. Yeah, it was cool, whatever. You know, I never been to that meet. I've never been. It was my first time going. I was like, you know what, why not? Beefs always invites me to meets, and sometimes I don't go. So I was like, you know what, I'll pull up to this one. Why not? And I was gonna get donuts anyway. I secured the donuts. But yeah, bro. It was alright. It was a cool little turnaround, you know what I'm saying? Some heavy hitters were there, you know what I'm saying? Some big heavy hitters. A lot of money, but overall it was pretty dope, you know, couch and chill, didn't do anything, let everybody like, you know, do their thing, walk around, and then went to the it's time to go, it's time to go. That's the good thing, bro. You know, everyone got to go home safely. Cops are chill and everything like that. Look, here's that light, bro. See what I mean? It's like flickering. Watch, look. See? So I think it's like a loose wire that I'm going to have to remove on the door. I have to remove the door panel and see what's up with the wire. See if it's like the fuse is loose or some shit. Thinking about putting the car in Fuel Fest. I don't know if I should or not. I'm thinking about it. I have like a couple days to think. Or I literally have to think like now if I'm going to put it in the show or not. I don't know if I want to. I'm just like, damn, bro, the car's going to be there all damn day. That's the thing. But I might do it because homie B said that he'll like I could go drop off the car, then we'll come back and then we'll get ready and everything, then you know, so I don't have to be there all day. So yeah, I think we might do that. I don't know. So next video you guys might see will be probably be at Fuel Fest.